Boston. Oh, are you typing on Dad's computer?
You gotta see the screen. Look at Mom.
Hey!
Uh-oh, you closed it. You don't know how to open it. Hey. Look at Mom. Here, oh, you want to show Mom how you type? Okay, show her how you type. Very good.
Is that what Dad does all day?
Very good. Yeah. Type it in. Surfing the internet.
Do you want to show us how you walk?
Come here.
Hey.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get the ball. Yay! Boston, clap. Clap. Yay! Boss. Yay!
Nope.
No clapping. Come on.
He's performing.
Yay! Showing off your skills.
Can I have it? Oh, thank you. Uh-oh.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Yeah! Whoa, one foot! Yeah!